The UAE Ministry of Defense will soon sign a contract with Chinese company CATIC for 12 L-15 aircraft, with an option to add 36 aircraft of the same model in the future. We have reached the final stages of negotiations with the Chinese side, and a final agreement will be concluded soon. He stressed that diversity is one of the characteristics of the UAE armed forces to obtain the best capabilities that fit their needs and achieve their strategic goals, said Tariq Abdul Rahim Al-Hosani, CEO of the Tawazun Economic Council. This purchase will take the UAE further away from securing American approval for buying the F-35.